Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it is Saturday the 14th of November 2020, and this is the weekly analysis for the Euro, the Cable and the Aussie dollar for the third week of November. And let's kick off with the Euro, where it has last week pushed up on Monday right to close to the resistance at the 78.65 retracement before dropping throughout the rest of the week through the middle of the week to find support at the daily 55 here, and then recovering to settle just under the bullish channel. Now back up again over the 118 again. So we'll see if there's is able to climb back up in over the 62 pip retracement, or whether it's just going to consolidate within this zone for next week. 118 is now going to be a key support area, and meantime there's also resistance at the 62 pip retracement right at the lower channel. Let's extend this over here to resistance, and also mark this as a key support area here. Let's change this color to as an interim support area. There is also monthly pivot and the 117 area that's providing the next level of support. Okay, there's no major news this coming week with just final CPI figure, but last week there was initial euphoria with the vaccine breakthrough announcement by Pfizer, but it was short-lived as the US dollar started to recover, and the stock markets were also in risk-on mode as well. And let's take a look at the cable. Similarly for cable, it managed to climb up higher through the middle of the week to reach the 78.6 pip retracement just above the 133, but then quickly gave it all back to test the lower channel where it found support, and still managed to recover on Friday back up to the 132, right to 132 again. So let's this is going to be a intermediate resistance. Support is still at the 131 for now. Right, this week there's the UK CPI and retail sales, but nothing major. So this zone could be key range for the week, and it could be just consolidation within this area. So 131 and back up to 133. All right. Let's also take a look at the US dollar index. Where from the start of the week on Monday, it managed to recover but could not break above the 21 fib retracement of this bigger fib, and pull back into the middle range for the week. So it's still within this range for the week, and it could continue for next week as well. All right, it's has been struggling after reaching the 38 fib retracement. Now it needs to break back up above the 21 fib retracement in order to recover. Otherwise, if it breaks the support, then it's going to retest the critical swing low for the year. And let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. This week there is RBA monetary policy meeting minutes being released, and as well as the employment figures on Thursday. But similar to the other major pairs, it quickly hit resistance early in the week. In this case, it's at the 786 retracement of this move down, and also the previous channel. And after that, has been struggling to stay afloat and above, hanging on above 0.72 2020 area. So it's unable to climb back up above into the bullish channel, and it just could be consolidating in this range for the week, next week. With no major news unless there's a surprise. All right, so nothing critical for next week. No major news for all the major pairs, and even for the US dollar as well. So it's quite dependent on the situation with the lockdowns in Europe and the US, with the increase in the cases for the COVID-19 pandemic, and how they see the impact on the economy. If there's a further increase in cases and extension of further lockdowns, then it could be warning for all the major economies. All right, so do check out my other videos on spot gold and dollar yen as well, and have a safe week and a good trading weekend. Cheers for now.